Hello. In this tutorial, I will provide an introduction and overview of detailed HVAC modelling in DesignBuilder. I will briefly explain what detailed HVAC is, show you how to enable detailed HVAC in model options, and finally discuss detailed HVAC templates for loading predefined systems. DesignBuilder provides both simple and detailed HVAC modelling capabilities. The simple HVAC definition method is the default.
You can access the full tutorial from DesignBuilder's website here. This page contains our extensive range of free tutorials, including an introduction to the software and more details on DesignBuilder's key capabilities and workflows. The tutorials are all short, enabling you to quickly and easily view the most important details in your areas of interest. They provide an excellent guide for anyone wanting to evaluate DesignBuilder. A direct link to this specific tutorial is included in the video description.